I want to tell you about a decision that happens all the time in this industry and why it often does not go the way the driver hoped. A car gets into a minor accident. The driver is not planning to keep it forever. They are thinking, I just want this fixed cheaply. It doesn't need to be perfect. I just need it to look decent. That reasoning sounds logical, but here is where it often leads. Hi, I'm Tom from Arts Autobody and Paint in Pomona, and I want to talk about the cheapest fix mentality because I understand why people go there, and I also know what tends to happen next. The driver finds the lowest estimate. The work gets done. The car comes back looking mostly okay, and for a while, they feel like they made a smart decision. The paint in the repaired area starts to look different from the rest of the car. Maybe it's fading faster. Maybe the texture is slightly off. Maybe a clip or bracket that was not properly replaced starts causing a rattle or a fit issue on a panel. Or maybe nothing visible goes wrong at all. But when they go to sell the car, a buyer or dealer notices the repair. The color match is slightly off in good lighting. The panel gaps are not quite even, and the price they get reflects that. Now, the money saved on the cheap repair has a cost attached to it. Here is the thing I want people to understand. Wanting to minimize cost on a repair is not wrong. It is rational. But minimizing cost and minimizing value are two different things. The goal should be to spend what the repair actually requires. Not more, but not less either. And to make that decision with full information about what is and is not included. At Arts Autobody and Paint, we respect that customers care about cost. We do. And we will always be straightforward about what a repair requires and why. But we are not going to recommend cutting corners that will come back to cause problems, because that is not actually doing right by the customer. The cheapest fix is rarely the best fix. The right fix is what holds up and keeps the vehicle in the condition it deserves to be in. If you want a shop that is honest about what your vehicle actually needs and will explain the reasoning clearly, contact Arts Autobody and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate. We'll help you spend smart, not just spend less.